Learn English through jokes. A computer once beat me at chess, but it was no match for me at kickboxing. As long as there are tests, there will be prayer in schools. What did one ocean say to the other ocean? Nothing, they just waved. Why do men find it difficult to make eye contact? Because breasts don't have eyes. A bank is a place that will lend you money if you can prove that you don't need it. What is faster, hot or cold? Hot, because you can catch a cold. What's the difference between a new husband and a new dog? After a year, the dog is still excited to see you. Why is it so hard for women to find men that are sensitive, caring, and good-looking? Because those men already have boyfriends. Why did the scientist install a knocker on his door? He wanted to win the Nobel Prize. When everything's coming your way, you're in the wrong lane. I say no to alcohol, it just doesn't listen. If you can't convince them, confuse them. Whenever I find the key to success, someone changes the lock. Why did the bee get married? Because he found his honey. What do you call a boomerang that doesn't come back? A stick. If at first you don't succeed, destroy all evidence that you tried. I just let my mind wander, and it didn't come back. I can handle pain, until it hurts. Time flies like an arrow, fruit flies like a banana. Do not argue with an idiot. He will drag you down to his level, and beat you with experience. When tempted to fight fire with fire, remember that the fire department usually uses water. A day without sunshine is like night. How come you didn't laugh?
Oh, I forgot.
Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.